So hope you can see me everyone, but just going to do this review that I was talking about. It's of the BCB Unbelievable Chainsaw. It's a hand powered chainsaw, and basically you go in a motion like that. You'd think it would tire you out a lot, but in fact you're using some of the strongest muscles in your back when you're going like that, and then you can also use your arms as well. So if one part of your body gets fatigued, you can use the other. It's very good for cutting logs for fire, especially a long log fire, or for making shelters and stuff like that. So it's very good for any people going to be prepared, so you could bung this in your back in your car or whatever. So I'm just going to grab this log. Hopefully you can see that. So what I'll do is usually helps if you have the log up resting on something when you're cutting it. So just put that round there like that. Put my foot on top. Straight through, guys. So that's what I just cut through. I also cut through that, but my camera didn't turn on. I pressed it to go on. So give you a bit of a close up of the teeth. It's quite a thin chainsaw, but it works very well. And also, if I just show you this. Like that. You can actually fold this up very small. So it's a really good product. So I hope you've enjoyed this quick little review. I recommend this to anyone. Of course you can carry the back of that band of saw as well. So then you're using your arms, and then you've got this to chop with the back as well, because sawing can be, quite a task. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. I'll see you on the next video.